The wolf's stoic wisdom, strength in the pack.
In the stillness of the snowy ridge, our gray wolf leader embodies stoic strength. She teaches us to find calm within the pack. As we learn from our wolf's stoic wisdom, we realize that strength lies not in individual might, but in unity and collective resilience. Just as our wolf leader guides her pack through challenges, we too can develop strategic thinking to overcome life's obstacles. Through patience and self-discipline, our wolf's stoic wisdom reminds us that growth happens in the quiet moments of reflection. As we delve deeper into our wolf's stoic wisdom, we begin to understand that true strength lies not in aggression, but in harmonious coexistence. Our wolf's stoic wisdom teaches us to embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. As we apply our wolf's stoic wisdom to our daily lives, we discover that resilience is not about avoiding challenges, but facing them head-on. Our wolf's stoic wisdom reminds us that true power lies not in individual achievement, but in the collective strength of our community. As we come to terms with our wolf's stoic wisdom, we realize that life is a journey of continuous growth and self-improvement. Our wolf's stoic wisdom teaches us to cherish the beauty of simplicity and to find strength in stillness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one!